Let's enter together in the sacred realm of Tantra Yoga, which includes spiritual mysteries, Eastern philosophy, traditional practices, insights, and most of all, love. Tantra is a wonderful path of intense energy that brings us closer to the spiritual heart, the Supreme Self. It is a celebration of life and spirituality. Supreme Truth is unique, but in Tantra it is perceived and expressed in 10 fundamental ways. These are the Darsha Mahavidya, the 10 great wisdoms, and each is a fascinating and gracious guide to the sacredness and peace of the self. One of these is Kali, the most renowned aspect of Shakti. The workshop will offer you an authentic initiation in Kali, which represents the evolutionary principle, the force of transformation in both the human being and the universe. She is eternity, which at the personal level appears to be time broken up into countless moments. So, she will help us to be aware of the eternity of our Supreme Self. In this way, the fear of death disappears, the obstacles from life are dissolved, and the present moment is a continuous wonderment in the beauty of the spiritual heart. The wisdom of Kali helps us live each moment deeply to enjoy life, because life is our gateway to immortality. Kali is the love that exists at the heart of the life, which is the immortal life that endures through both life and death. She is a fascinating mother that will lead us every moment to discover the happiness and the harmony. Sri Aurobindo said, "Without Kali, that which is made in one day would have taken entire ages." We will have 3 days for this workshop, so the transformation in each of us could be very profound.